Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Roblox a beginner guide. I just tap on my Roblox account and log in, and right now here you will see I will just tap on my avatar. So avatar is my Colin. So you can change it, the customization of the clothes and the wig. So it's some items for free and some you can just buy before using this game. So this item is free, so just tap on this get button. So here you will see the change the hair. So I will just go back and randomly play any game like this, red light, green light. So just tap to play this green button. So after loading inside you will see, yes, Roblox can be a good platform for game developers for several reasons. Accessibility: Roblox provides an accessible platform for developers of all skills levels. The Roblox Studio offers a user friendly interface and a range of tools that allow both beginners and experienced developers to create games. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.